Hey ladies and gentlemen, I'm Lillian from Kamuli, an entrepreneurship lady and a power CEO. I do poultry as my business, and in poultry I rear chicken. The type of chicken is Gruyere and Sasso. That's what I rear. I came with that idea of making a business because I wanted to employ my fellow young ones, like the youth girls. They are getting pregnant at the early age because of lack of jobs. So I came with that idea, at least to reduce the teenage pregnancy in those school dropout girls, such that I employ them and they get what to do, and they don't go anywhere. Like they want to get money, they go to those boys that they want to get money. So I started that business to help those girls, and